Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 public companies with the biggest Bitcoin portfolios. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Microstrategy. Microstrategy, a prominent business analytics platform, has adopted Bitcoin as its primary reserve asset. The firm, which produces mobile software and cloud-based services, has aggressively pursued its Bitcoin buying spree through 2021 and 2022, scooping up millions of dollars worth of the cryptocurrency, even as the market slumped in 2022. As of July 2022, it holds 129,699 BTC in reserve, equivalent to just over $2.8 billion. Though the 2022 crypto crash has wiped billions of dollars of value from its crypto stash. At one point, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor said he was buying $1,000 in Bitcoin every second. Unlike other CEOs who typically shy away from discussing their personal investments, Saylor has made it public that he personally holds 17,732 BTC, currently worth over $387 million. As per data from BitInfoCharts, this positions Saylor among the top 100 Bitcoin owners, assuming it is all held within a single address. It's something of an about-face for the MicroStrategy CEO, who in 2013 claimed that Bitcoin's days were numbered. Speaking in the wake of the 2022 crypto crash, Saylor doubled down on his decision to use Bitcoin as a reserve asset rather than gold. If it's not going to zero, it's going to a million, he told CNBC. It's obviously better than gold at everything gold wants to be, and if it was just worth what gold's worth, it'd be $500,000 a coin. 2. Galaxy Digital Holdings, the largest institutional holder of Bitcoin to be directly involved with the crypto industry. Crypto-focused merchant bank Galaxy Digital Holdings holds 16,400 BTC. According to Bitcoin Treasuries.org, worth just over $357 million at current prices. Founded by Michael Novogratz in January 2018, the company has partnered with crypto firms including Block.one and BlockFi. Novogratz is, unsurprisingly, a keen advocate for Bitcoin. In April 2020, he noted that stimulus measures announced in response to the coronavirus pandemic were driving interest in cryptocurrencies, calling it Bitcoin's moment, and arguing that money doesn't grow on trees. However, later in the year, Novogratz argued that the cryptocurrency's volatility meant that gold was a safer bet, stating that, "My sense is that Bitcoin way outperforms gold, but I would tell people to hold a lot less than they do gold, just because of the volatility." That proved to be sensible advice. Following the 2022 crypto crash, Novogratz stressed that Bitcoin is not going away as a macro asset, while conceding that the sector had taken a complete and total old-school ass-beating. In September 2021, Galaxy Digital launched a joint proposal for a spot Bitcoin ETF. To date, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has only approved Bitcoin futures ETFs. 3. Voyager Digital Ltd. Crypto brokerage Voyager Digital holds 12,260 BTC, according to BitcoinTreasuries.org, worth around $267 million at current prices. The firm aims to provide a one-stop shop for trading digital assets, and in May 2021 reported quarterly revenue of $60.4 million, up 16x from the previous quarter. We saw exponential adoption of cryptocurrencies as a recognized and investable asset class, said CEO Stephen Ehrlich at the time. Voyager Digital became one of the most significant casualties of the 2022 crypto crash, however. After halting trading on its platform due to current market conditions, the company revealed a $661 million exposure to struggling crypto investment firm, Three Arrows Capital, in both Bitcoin and USDC, and subsequently filed for bankruptcy. 4. Tesla. Electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla joined the ranks of companies holding Bitcoin in December 2020, with an SEC filing revealing that the company invested an aggregate $1.50 billion in Bitcoin. Tesla sold 10% of its Bitcoin holdings in Q1 2021. According to CEO Elon Musk, this was to prove liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash on balance sheet. The company's Bitcoin play followed months of speculation after CEO Elon Musk took to Twitter to discuss the cryptocurrency. In late 2020, Microstrategy's Saylor offered to share his playbook for Bitcoin investing with Musk, after arguing that a move into Bitcoin would be doing Tesla shareholders a $100 billion favor. However, Musk and Tesla have had an on-off relationship with Bitcoin. After announcing that Tesla would accept payments in Bitcoin for its products and services in March 2021, just 2 months later the CEO abruptly announced that the company would no longer accept the cryptocurrency for payments. 5. Marathon Digital Holdings Incorporated. Bitcoin mining company Marathon Digital, unsurprisingly, is also a large holder of Bitcoin, with 10,055 BTC in its corporate treasury, worth around $218 million at current prices. The company, which aims to build the largest Bitcoin mining operation in North America at one of the lowest energy costs, originated as a patent holding firm and was often referred to as a patent troll before its pivot into crypto mining. Marathon Digital eventually aims to have over 199,000 Bitcoin miners churning out 23.3 EH/s by 2023, a 600% increase from its December 2021 hash rate. That month, the company placed a mammoth order of 78,000 Antminer mining machines from Bitmain to be delivered throughout 2022. Despite rising electricity costs and a slump in the price of Bitcoin, Marathon remains committed to mining the cryptocurrency. In June 2022, it claimed to be fairly well insulated and well positioned thanks to low operational costs and fixed pricing for power that enable it to mine Bitcoin for around $6,200 a coin. 6. Block Incorporated. Alongside Tesla, Block lit the fuse for institutional investment in Bitcoin with its October 2020 investment of $50 million in the cryptocurrency. Since then, the payments company has continued to invest in Bitcoin, revealing that it had scooped up another $170 million worth in its Q4 2020 earnings statement. It was, perhaps, unsurprising, considering that CEO Jack Dorsey is an enthusiastic advocate for Bitcoin, even running his own Bitcoin node. At the time, the company described the investment as part of Square's ongoing commitment to Bitcoin, noting that the company plans to assess its aggregate investment in Bitcoin relative to its other investments on an ongoing basis. With its holdings now amounting to 8,027 BTC, worth $174 million at current prices, Block hasn't changed its tune on Bitcoin. 7. Hut 8 Mining Corp. Canadian crypto mining firm Hut 8 holds 7,406 BTC, worth $161 million. In June 2021, the company was listed on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the HUT ticker, with the company's SEC filing noting that it's committed to growing shareholder value by increasing the number and value of our Bitcoin holdings. The company also explained that it generates fiat income by leveraging its reserve of self-mined and held Bitcoin via yield account arrangements with leading digital asset prime brokerages. 8. Riot Blockchain Incorporated. Another crypto mining outfit, US-based Riot Blockchain, holds 6,654 BTC, worth $144 million at today's prices. With its valuation surging from below $200 million in 2020 to highs of over $6 billion in 2021, the Nasdaq-listed company went on an aggressive expansion drive. In April 2021, it spent $650 million on a 1 gigawatt Bitcoin mining facility in Rockdale, Texas, describing the purchase as a transformative event that would make the company the largest publicly traded Bitcoin mining and hosting company in North America, as measured by total developed capacity. 9. Coinbase Global Incorporated. Arguably the best-known crypto firm in this list, crypto exchange Coinbase went public in a direct listing on the Nasdaq in April 2021. The move was hailed as a landmark for the crypto industry, though that hasn't been borne out by Coinbase's declining stock price. Having debuted at $381, by July 2022 coin was trading under $75. Ahead of its listing in February 2021, Coinbase revealed that it held $230 million in Bitcoin on its balance sheet. By July 2022, its Bitcoin holdings had slipped to 98,004,482 BTC. 10. Bitcoin Group Southeast. Germany-based venture capital firm Bitcoin Group Southeast brings up the rear of the list, with relatively modest holdings of 3,947 BTC, worth just over $86 million at today's prices. Its investments include crypto exchange Bitcoin.Day and Futurum Bank, which merged in October 2020 to form Germany's first crypto bank. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.